Number one question, do you need one or letter in start law Tok Pisin alphabet, or one or letter Tok Pisin alphabet? Alright, using one you got letter C lo Tok Pisin or no got? Answer and no got. You mean no got letter C lo Tok Pisin alphabet. Posible cambio y looking 22 letter Tok Pisin alphabet. Inside the Tok Pisin alphabet, you know got C, Q, X, and Z. Alright, now you can talk liquid lo all Tok Pisin vowel. Tok Pisin A and A, Tok Pisin D and F, Tok Pisin I and E, Tok Pisin U and U, Tok Pisin O and O. You can talk liquid lo all consonants. All consonants lo Tok Pisin. Letter R lo Tok Pisin sometimes means English or means rolling. Letter G lo Tok Pisin all the time and good sound, good. Na Tok Pisin T M you mean also losing kanti win come outside also English. Alright, you can talk now lo number 2 question lo display video. One all 4 plus spelling rule lo C, Q, X, na Z. Display letter way no start lo Tok Pisin alphabet. So suppose you looking all words is start lo list you by looking how you may spelling or how you may using molar letter inside lo Tok Pisin lo marking C, Q, X na Z. Alright. Suppose display sound and S sound you may using S masking lo English or spelling matem C. Suppose K sound you may using K. Suppose X sound you may using KS, and suppose Z sound you may using J or S.